Alright, so I'm going to show you now, because surprise, surprise, as I always like to remind people, instruction manuals usually are the worst because people don't update them. And you will see a big, obvious difference, which is if you take a look at this, and you take a look at this, and you take a look at this and this, do you see? Is there a problem? Yeah. The connectors, for instance, are already different. They're black here, and they were blue in the instruction manual. Not the biggest difference, but they are a little bit different. And let's see if the screwdriver works in there. Nope. The screwdriver does not really work in there. So guess what? In the instructions they say the screwdrivers will pretty much be able to solve all your issues. Well, false advertisement. You need a separate screw with a little smaller thing to be able to get in there. And then, yeah. That's why we're gonna have, yeah, I'm really trying here. Nope. We're gonna need a smaller screwdriver that'll fit in there. Let's see if this does the job. Yeah, this does the job. But, hello, hello, look at the difference in size. Okay, so I prepared the little micro USB cable, and it'll go in there. Let's make sure it's aligned properly, because I've broken stuff like this before, and so will you if you're not extremely careful. There it go. It went in. And then we need to make sure that this is properly installed. This is properly installed on the machine. Okay, so that'll be another interesting one, because this, as you can see, has all those little pins here, and they need to go into the machine. And then this thing here is going to be the, I don't know if they call it a feather or a hat, depending on what kind of technology you're trying to run. Now this should be self-explanatory, because there's more on one side than there is on the other, so then you just need to match it like so, and we will do that. We will match it like so. And be extremely careful that all those bits are aligned. Do not try to push it in at strange angles, because you will bend these, and then your entire project is dead. So, alright, so we've got this far, and then in the next video we will try to connect it up in there. Thanks for watching.